Enough of, we got 2 doors, we got 4 doors, we got lots of doors
We
here.
got lots of doors. We got upways doors, sideways
Ooh.
doors.
You like a scissor door?
No, don't actually.
No?
Back door.
TFG.
Don't talk about my back door.
TFG, Daddy L scissor doors. Hey?
Yeah.
Synonymous with Lambos and Connor's eggs and
Yeah.
yeah, all those.
Bikini babes getting out. Maybe.
Maybe not.
We'll see. Well, this is what's arrived.
What?
These are new.
Hiroshima!
Hiroshima.
Did I say it right?
I'm not sure. Did I say it right?
I think you did.
I think I did. So I've got some snap kits here. There's 2 different versions. You got
Stepping
24.
up in the world.
Yeah, you can get 24 scale straight into the
Which is
regular scale.
The traditional
Yeah.
sort of scale, if I can call it that.
I think it was a bit larger. It's more 12th scale is a traditional. 24
it?
scale is generic scale, I'd say now. I'm not sure. I know American brands do 25th scale.
They're weird.
Oh, tell me about it. And they can't make a good model. That's for sure as well. 24 scale and 32 scale. 32 scale is prominent in what are they? Slot cars.
Are they?
Vintage slot cars.
Vintage slot cars, 32 scale.
And also the Scalextric stuff is 32.
Or 32nd scale.
Yeah, all 32. So synonymous with.
So you could take the body shell off that and put it on a Scalextric.
Yeah, if the
Could you?
wheelbase is correct. Yeah.
There you go.
But these are a really good first kit.
What do you like about them? As a first-time model builder, talk me through it. Talk me through it.
Hi, I'm here to buy a model and I want it to be super easy. Well, these are super easy.
Okay, what
Don't-
paint and glue do I need?
You don't need any. It
That's
snaps together.
Snaps.
Yeah.
Is
The only thing you might need.
Is it Gundam?
It's close enough. It's the car version of Gundam.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the top. Let's go to Top Town.
Well, you're gonna need cutters.
We have the cutters for that.
Yeah, just cut it out. Cut it out and put it together.
Don't use your teeth. Get some 9-step snippers.
That's right. 9-step snippers. Otherwise, you're gonna end up.
What's in
with
the box?
Body shell. Look how flat it is.
Flat like a pancake.
Gee, it's creepy. Yeah, flat. That.
Is it an LP400 Countach?
Yeah.
They are very flat, aren't they?
Yeah, LP400.
Yeah, original.
The OG Countach. Exhaust mufflers.
I love a good exhaust.
Interior folds up. Some black accents. Also to the exhaust on the other side. Your windscreen.
And it all clicks together.
Yeah, it all clicks together. These are your rims. Your rims. Rum. What's that one, bro?
You got chassis,
Yeah, that's
and we've got plastic tires. Oh, I don't like plastic tires, but
it's
if
better.
it's got a snap,
You gotta paint them. Look at that, stickers. Stickers.
nice one. Stickers,
That's right. Good stickers there. Couple of different colors.
not decals.
No, not decals. Stickers. But they come in all different colors. We've got red and black, I believe, in these Countach, and maybe a white. I'm not sure. Something a bit special.
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
So that's obviously.
So what's on the box is what in the box,
That's right. That's
and
it.
there's no paint or glue required.
And there's
so
also this as well.
If I get this one out, are you telling me that this is going to be yellow?
Yeah.
Is
it's
that what
yellow.
you're saying?
Yeah, it's actually quite exciting. Whoa!
Make no mistake. Oh, this is 24. Oh,
This is bigger.
this is better.
Bigger is better.
Wow, better. I think it actually might be easier for beginners. Has it got a hinged bonnet?
No.
That clip-on bonnet.
Yeah.
Does it have engine detail?
No.
Why would they have a?
Oh, what's that? That's the underside of the engine, is it? No, that's the rear. That's the diff.
That's the diff.
The diff in the
Don't get the diff
control arms.
confused. Clear parts.
Oh,
wheels.
rubber wheels.
That's-
Guys, rubber wheels. No drifting.
Yeah,
Here.
you had me at rubber.
Full grip. Brake calipers.
Full grip, no slip.
Calipers and pads. A radiator. Hold on. Why we got a radiator?
Probably because you can see it through the bonnet, probably up here or something. I don't know.
Through here.
Or maybe it's at the front.
No, it's just full.
Maybe it's an intercooler.
Oh, look, it's full.
Cool.
Yeah, that's the grill. I believe. Oh, well. You're
I
getting
believe I can fly.
polycaps. You know what polycaps are used for?
Nope. Keep the axles on.
Yep, that's correct.
Oh, pre-colored lenses.
Yep.
Oh, that is
Stickers?
I hate
Or
pre-colored
decals.
lenses.
Stickers or decals.
What, both? You can't tell. Oh, there's both.
Yeah, both.
Oh, that is a kit for me. I do love my water slide decals.
How do you apply one?
You don't. because it ends
You're just
in-
like collecting them.
because they stick to your finger, they stick to your bench.
Yeah, cool.
I found one on my face. It could be anywhere.
They do actually get everywhere. Look at that. How cool is that? There you go. That's what you get. Pretty cool, huh?
I like it.
And you can do either no coilovers or coilovers. You can have different ride heights.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you can have
No.
it squashed
Really?
or yeah.
Are you making this up?
No.
Oh, there's like a spacer there.
Yeah. Normal ride height, use L1. Lowered ride height, do not use L1.
Or just put L2.
Oh, yeah.
It seems a bit aggressive of them. Nice instructions.
Yeah.
Clear,
The photograph
Clear,
actual.
concise.
Oh, there you go. There's two different versions for the rear as well. There's a lower and a...
Whichever hole you put the axle in.
That's correct. Oh, you flip it upside down, I think. Upside down or right
Upside
way
down,
up.
Miss Jane.
So yeah, there's two different ride heights, and if you look here, that's how it looks with both of them.
I like it.
I think it looks
I
sick.
think it looks sick. What a great model. What a great idea.
There you go. So you
I
can have
should
a
have-
slammed Evo.
I think my first model should have been this one.
I actually agree, honestly.
But
Yeah,
you'll
this
have
is
to
cool.
agree the semi-gloss clear, it's a
Clear
imitate
coat.
vinyl wrap, looks okay.
Was it yours vinyl wrapped?
No,
Oh, okay.
no.
I thought it was supposed to be.
That wasn't even semi-clear. I just say it was semi-gloss because it looks so crap.
You might have dropped it on the grass after you painted it.
Could have been anyway.
How good is that?
I love it.
There's two colors, silver and yellow.
Well, we are getting ready for winter time, being autumn as we speak. So these are a great idea.
So if you're sweating your bum off inside and you want to make a start, if you don't want to get to winter and not know what you're doing, come in and get one of these, make a start,
Make it happen.
and then by the time winter gets here, you'll be an expert builder.
Yeah?
Yeah, what do you reckon?